Hier is 'n goeie voorbeeld van 'n hol voorbeen. So om dit te illustreer. Julle sal sien die knie buig verkeerde kant toe. Hulle noem dit in Engels 'n calf knee. Maar Stefan sal nou die Engels vir julle hanteer. Maar dit is 'n goeie voorbeeld van 'n hol voorbeen. Wanneer in 'n mindere graad is, buig die knie net effens terug. En hoe erger die graad raak die bok mank. En dit is hoekom ons diskrimineer daarteen.
What we've got here is a very good example of what we call a hollow front leg, and as you can see, it's bending the wrong way. It's bending towards the back, and the worse it gets, the harder it becomes for the animal to move. As you can see, this ram, his movement is hampered by the knee, and it's because of that hollow front leg. And we've got to discriminate this. In my books, this will be a cull.